Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to download the Solara Executor. First, join the Discord server. Link will be in the description. Once you join, go to the Executor tab. When you click on it, download the latest Solara version. It will say this, but it's completely safe. Now you will want to turn off your virus protection. You have to do this because Windows won't let you download if it's turned on. Once you turn it off, click on More Info and click Run anyway. If you get a notification like this one, it's just a false positive. Now Solara will start running. Once it opens, you will need to put your script in. You can get a free script from the Discord server. When you find the script you want, copy and paste it into Solara. I will be testing the executor in baseplate. To get the script to work, you need to attach it first. Once you see the green dot, that means the script has attached. Now you can click the execute button and the script should load. As you can see, this executor works and is one of the best executors for exploiting on Roblox.